Hi friends, Amelia here. Today I'm going to guide you through a 7-minute breath-focused meditation. This is a great meditation for those of us who are new to meditation, and it's a very soothing and calming meditation. So let's get started. So make your way into a comfortable seat. You can sit on a pillow, maybe a yoga block. Maybe it feels more comfortable to sit in a chair. Just make sure your legs are uncrossed and both feet connect to the earth. And close your eyes down. Now exhale all the air out. Inhale, grow up tall through your spine. Exhale, ground down through your sitting bones. Inhale, expand your lungs and ribs to the edges of your body. And exhale, soften your shoulders, soften your throat, your jaw. And start to observe the sensations in your body as they arise. You feel for the air on your skin. Notice any light. Notice the shadows too. Hear the sounds in the room around you. You can hear smaller and less obvious sounds further away. Just allow yourself to observe without trying to change anything. Be with each thought and sensation as it comes and it goes. And just let it come and let it go. Feel for the areas of tension, any stickiness or gripping. And feel for the areas of space and lightness. And bring your awareness to your breath. Track your inhale as it goes in. Track your exhale as it moves out. Just follow the breath in and out. And just observe its path. Where does it go? Where does it not go? Does it stay up high in your lungs, in your head? Or does it move lower? How low does it go? Does it reach all the way down to your pelvis, to your belly? And just feel the sensations of your breath physically moving your body. And only observe your breath without changing it. Listen to the sound of your breath in your inner ears. What does that sound like? Now notice the 4 parts of your breath. Observe the expanding and lifting as you inhale. And notice that momentary pause at the top of the inhale and any sensations that come with it. And feel the sensations of the exhale as it empties and rinses you out. And notice and feel the momentary stillness at the bottom of your exhale. And then observe the inhale again. Just keep your focus on the 4 parts of your breath and what you feel and observe in each stage. Let go of any control and just simply observe. If you lose focus, just simply come back to the breath. Following the inhale, observing the pause. Following the exhale and observing the pause. And then follow the inhale again. So right here, see if you can sit up just a little bit taller. Soften the shoulders out of your ears. Take an inhale, reach your arms up overhead, stretch up, reach up. And exhale, bring your hands to heart center, palms touch. Maybe take a slight tuck of chin. Thank yourself for giving yourself this gift of breath, this gift of meditation, sitting with yourself. Namaste.